What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's JP Dividends here, bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to share with you guys how much money I made in dividends for the month of August. How these videos normally work is I will share all the stocks that paid me in August, and then I'm going to share with you guys how much my total dividends were and how that compares to other months. Plus, I would normally share my total portfolio value and the change of that from month to month, but I'm actually going to include that part in my new series where I show you guys my whole portfolio every month and give updates there. But if you got paid dividends in the month of August, comment down below what stocks paid you. I'd love to hear. All right, now jumping into my August dividends. The first company that paid me is AbbVie. I received $14.74 from them. Now, I did buy more of AbbVie in the month of July, but I actually bought them after the ex-dividend date, so I do expect to see that $14.74 probably go up around $20 by November, so keep an eye out for that. Stock number 2 that paid me for the month is Costco. I received $1.72 from them, and to be honest with you guys, I don't actually receive their dividend until September, but I'm just going to count it as August because historically they've always paid on the 2, 5, 8, 11 cycle, so I'm just going to keep it that way. Not really sure why randomly they're paying September when previous months they haven't, but regardless, it's fine. $1.72, we'll take it. The next company that paid me is Apple. I received $2.80 from them. They're definitely more of the growth stock. You know, you're not holding Apple for the dividends because it's a pretty low yield, but overall they're consistent. They grow the dividends, so no problem there. And the next company that paid me is Realty Income. I received $9.85 from them. So that brings my monthly total in August to $29.11. And if you compare this quarter to last quarter, I was up 2.5%, which I have no problem with because I know next quarter I'm going to be up quite a bit more. The reason I know that is, like I mentioned, I bought more AbbVie. I bought about $570 worth in July. And like I said, when I bought them, it was after the ex-dividend date. So that $14.74 I got this quarter, it's probably going to be about $20 next quarter. Also, I did buy more Realty Income, so that should increase to about $10 to $12 a month, I think, by November. That's kind of my goal right now, at least. Also, my year-over-year increase is 27%, which that's pretty clutch because last August I was at $22. Now I'm at 29, so hopefully by next August I can maybe get that into the 40s. But to be honest with you guys, the only metric I really care about right now regarding my dividends is my average monthly dividend. My goal is to get that to $100 a month, and right now I'm averaging about $84 a month, so I'm getting really close. I'm about 84% of the way there. So that is my monthly dividend update. As a reminder, I'll be sharing my portfolio update coming up next, so stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.